Programming is about building programs. So it's very important that you know what categories of programs you can build using a programming language. And there are two categories: interactive programs and non-interactive programs. And interactive programs can also be divided into three other subcategories: command line interface programs, desktop graphical user interface programs, and web interface programs. So in this video, I want to show you an example of all these types of programs. So let's begin. The first type of program is command line interface programs, which belongs to the user interactive program category. This here is an example of a command line interface program, and this is something that we'll build throughout the course, actually throughout the next days. So this black field here, black area, is known as the command line, and this allows the user to interact with the program by entering text and also looking at text on this command line interface. So for example, the user can type in show to see the to-do items and perhaps add a new to-do item, such as add fix the bike, show again, and that will be added there as a to-do item. So that was the first type of program. The second type is desktop graphical user interface programs. So this program can be installed on a computer, and the user here can interact using widgets such as text boxes and buttons. They can click on items and so on. And the third type of the interactive program category is web apps or web interface programs. Users can access them from their browser by using the URL pointing to that server, right? So this here is an example of a web app. So we'll also build this web app throughout the course. And yeah, the general idea here is that you can also add more items in this program as well. And you can check items to remove them from the to-do list. So these were the three types of interactive programs. And then you have the other category, non-interactive programs. A non-interactive program is a program that doesn't interact with the user. Let's take an example, a program which you run and it cleans your download folder, or it gets some Excel files from somewhere and it produces PDF files out of them. So all you do as a user is you just run that program, but you don't interact with the program. Thus the name non-interactive programs. Usually these programs run as background processes. The program will be scheduled to run every week to clean out the download folder and so on. We also build this type of program throughout the course. So these are the four types of programs you can build with programming languages. I wanted to make sure that you know this, and so now we're ready to start coding. Thanks, and let's move on with the next video. See you.